Hi, today we're going to install the radio for a Harley Davidson Electra something. Oh my god, I forgot the name of it, but it's Electra radio. So we're gonna be installed right there. I will show you the factory radio. Who would have won this thing right here? This is an oldies, okay? This is older, so we're gonna be installing. So we're gonna install JVC KDX 280 BT with Bluetooth. This is a radio. It's a Mechless stereos, and this is the harness. I'm gonna show you the harness. Oh, it came with the mounting kit and the harness. It is 9960 9600. So this is a wire. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to match color to color. So what I mean by that, yellow to yellow, red to red, black to black, and green to green. In my case, I'm going to be installing the line, AXSWC. It's a universal fitting. I'm going to program this from a computer. So you're going to need a computer, or you're going to read a manual how to program it manually. I'm doing a computer, so I just plug in computer. I'm gonna put it to JVC, and then that's it. So right now we're gonna install running the wire using a crimper and a butt connector or crimp cap, whatever you want to use, or you can tape it however you want, but I would recommend crimp it. And here's a screw for that. This video not too long. I'm gonna start putting this mounting bracket in here by going this way. In order to get in there, you're gonna go like so. You don't want to go straight, it won't fit. You see what I'm saying? So you go halfway like this, right here, and then put it in, and then you're gonna screw that right here. You see this screw that it came with it is 4 screw. Just put that screw in there, make sure it's aligned on top right there. So right there, I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Ooh, I think I got it wrong. So see this? It's wrong. So you want to make sure the top and the bottom is right. So basically it's got this rubber thing right there where the water don't just come in and through. We're gonna go right here. Yep, right there. I mean, best way to do it is probably get a marine radio, but really, you're not gonna get really wet to kind of damage the radio. I mean, if it rains, most people will park anyway, right? So, and this is probably. We might have to replace the radio here also. I'm saying not the radio, I'm saying the speaker. What am I saying today? Must be some day like that, huh? So I'm gonna stick that mounting bracket, the screw in the mounting bracket from this way right here. You see, right there. Open this up and screw it in. So we got the radio in. We started from inside. Behind, not the front. This is the front. You start from here, and then this is what it's gonna look like right there, and then we'll adjust it, and that's how it's gonna look now. So in my case, it's gonna connect it to the connected right here, and then this gonna be connected to the programming computer. And then you don't need this purple and green because it's doesn't have 4 speakers, just got the 2 speaker. Might got a built-in amplifier, so that's a little bit different. We'll have to check that out. You plug it in the USB, and you click on right there, SW configuration. Whoa. Wow, why is it doing like that? Clicking like this. You JVC right here. Click on that, and then right, and that's it. That's all you do when you have the right equipment. So this wire, click this in, and then take this and put in the back of the stereos.